Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another Forward trade, and today's date is March the 30th, and I'm using my simple system. I love this simple system because it is quite simple. All you need are 4 triggers, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Once you get the trigger, either blue or red, you buy and or sell. The system has 2 moving averages to Heikin Ashi candles, these arrows that are called super signal, and of course down at the bottom we have some oscillating indicators. Now you will get an audio sound in this pop-up box here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking, just checking out different charts, figuring out how I'm going to trade today. And today I decided to trade gold because it did move a lot, and I added multiple positions. I teach how to trade this way in my new method called How to Master Day Trading. Now I also check my daily trade plan and just to see what it says. Now I could have traded lots of instruments, Forex and the futures, but I decided to go with gold because the setup looked pretty good. This daily trade plan analyzes from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, it'll say, look for bullish trades, bearish trades, sometimes preferred, and sometimes just not enough strength. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you're still struggling. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, you can check right below this video in the description. And if you have more questions, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's run a check on this. As I mentioned, traded gold. I bought gold 4 different times right here, as you can see. And of course, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in on the first one. Okay, got in here, did another cycle, which I knew that it could do that. I just had to wait. I was expecting and hoping I was going to break the top and keep going. But the market's very random and the market will do whatever it wants. So you just have to wait for the next cycle. And once I saw not going any higher, well, time to close out the trade. So it looks like since gold pays $10 for each tick, this first trade I got 40, so we're looking for 40. From there to there is 40. There it is right there, paying out $400. Next position, as you can see, I took them all just a little before 9, a little bit after 9. So let's see where I got in on the next one, which I took it at 9:13. So this time I waited for the pullback, and charts were telling me it's about ready to give another push up. So looking at the money, this says or tells me it should be 115.6. So either 115 or 116 I'm looking for. 115 or 116, there it is right there, 115, and that paid out $1,156. Okay, next trade I put in was at 8:43. So this was a better entry. Charts on the top and the bottom, everything was telling me the daily trade plan. All these trades did qualify for a great way to trade. Love trading that way of trading. Got in here, got out about here somewhere. So looking at the money, we're looking at 212 approximately. 212. It's actually 211.8. Rounded up to 212. Hard to get it right on, but it's 212. That paid out $2,118. And on the last position, drag and drop this up. It was again at 843. So it should be right in here, right on top of it, or a little bit before, because when I did pull the trigger, it was 35 seconds before, actually. Looks like that. So got in here, and now the calculator, well, what we're looking for is 245. 245. Another one that's hard to get it right on, but it's 245, and that ended up paying out $2,454. So another great day of trading. So remember, you don't have to trade a lot of instruments. Just pick one. I usually like doing the futures, the indexes, but you can take Forex too. You can do the pound pairs, pound yen, pound New Zealand. They all move a bunch of pips. But anyhow, I added up all the ticks for today. Grand total came to 728, and that paid out $6,128. Remember, I teach exactly how to trade. Plenty of training videos within the simple trading system, and of course within the how to master day trading. That's where I show multiple positions on. Sometimes it's just one instrument, or you can do 2, 3, 4 instruments, just depending on how many you can handle while you are trading. So if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me, and that's very easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. And of course, I do answer the phone most of the time. And a good tip for you is if you're going to buy anything from anybody, make sure you can get in contact with them. How else are you going to get your questions answered? And of course, I do give support after you buy from me. If you have any questions, just get in contact with me. Now, if you can't call me, that's okay. Just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Teams. So I made a link right below this video, a Teams link. And all you got to do is click on it. And then we will have a Teams connection. And at that point, can answer most of your questions. And of course, can do some screen sharing. Now, you'll also see in the description that there's 6 different packages. The newest one I just uploaded was How to Master Day Trading. Now, as I mentioned, there's 6 different packages. I do charge $250 USD for each package. Obviously, if you just want one package, it's $250. Special offers, if you want 2 packages, that's going to be $400. 3 packages is $500. That represents a 33% discount. Now, if you want to get a 50% discount, well, just send me an email. And at that point, I'll have your name and your email address. Put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And I can send you back an email showing you packages where I give a 50% discount. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember, to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.